Hey foodies, ever experienced a payment error while trying to get your favorite dish delivered through DoorDash? Today we're diving into how to fix DoorDash payment error, ensuring you can smoothly place your next order without a hitch. Whether it's a credit card hiccup or an app glitch, we've got some effective solutions to get you back on track and your meals on their way. Step 1. Check your payment method. The first step in resolving a DoorDash payment error is to verify your payment details. Head over to your DoorDash app or the website and navigate to Payment Method. In your account settings, ensure your credit or debit card information is entered correctly, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Sometimes a single mistyped digit can cause a payment failure. Also, check that your card isn't expired and has sufficient funds for the order. Step 2. Update the app. Outdated apps can sometimes malfunction and cause payment issues. Go to your device's app store and see if there are any updates available for the DoorDash app. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve overall performance. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent any interruptions while updating the app. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, try clearing the cache and cookies from your DoorDash app. For Android users, you can do this by going to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, Clear Cache. iPhone users can delete the app and reinstall it as a way to clear the cache. This process can remove any corrupted data that might be causing the payment error. Step 4. Try an alternative payment method. Still encountering errors? It might be time to try a different payment method. DoorDash supports a range of payment options including PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Switching to another payment method can sometimes bypass the issue altogether. Make sure any digital payment accounts are verified and have up-to-date funding sources linked. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the previous steps work, it's best to contact DoorDash customer support. You can reach them through the help section in the app or website. Explain your issue and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. The support team can offer further assistance and help investigate any deeper issues with your account or the DoorDash platform. Facing a DoorDash payment error can be frustrating, especially when you're hungry and eager to order your next meal. By following these steps, checking your payment details, updating the app, clearing cache and cookies, trying an alternative payment method, and reaching out to customer support, you can efficiently troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Keep these solutions handy for the next time you run into payment problems. Happy ordering and enjoy that delicious delivery.